Who knew that the chalta hai attitude type of janta would become these germophobic, obsessive people who would clean anything and everything that crosses the Lakshman Rekha of their house? Who predicted that grocery shopping would be an outing and seeing masked human beings from your windowsill would be refreshing? No one predicted fashionable masks as a thing, but 2020 came in with its uninvited surprises. Who knew that your own family members would have to self-quarantine themselves for 2 whole weeks for doing the daring activity of traveling outside the city? These are unprecedented times. And this pandemic has affected people all over the world with demonic proportion. But, there are many positive outcomes that have come through this pandemic. Hi guys, welcome to Nandu Ki Pathshala. I am Nandita Vaidyanathan and today's topic is going to be super interesting. Through this video, you are going to learn some of the umpteen ways you can make optimum use of this lockdown. Let this lockdown be an opportunity, not an obstacle. I am saving the best for the last, so watch the video till the end. Number 1. As youngsters, we sometimes forget that along with us growing up, our parents are growing old too. We should not take these relationships for granted. Instead, we should use this quarantine time as a golden opportunity to strengthen our bonds with our parents and our siblings. With traveling out of question, we have so much more time and energy to spare. Use this time to catch up with old friends and nurture relationships that may have been neglected unintentionally. Take this situation as a God-given opportunity to celebrate relationships that actually matter to you. I am too tired after office. This excuse is not going to work anymore. You don't have to sit through traffic jams. You don't have to go through the hassle of reaching work on time and go through all that stress. Since you have an extra reserve of energy and time, why not put that into pursuing a side hustle or a passion project that you've been procrastinating for so long? After doing Zoom calls in your PJs, just sit down with a pen and a paper and actually think about the hobbies that you want to get back to. These can be some childhood habits that you always wanted to catch up with, or an art and craft project that you always wanted to do, or a side business you always wanted to start. And yes, art and craft is so relaxing and it's abundantly available on e-commerce sites. So if you are an artsy person, go nuts. Do that course on Skillshare that you always wanted to do. This is the time, this is the opportunity. Make the most of it. Also, an important point, learn these skills not just to boast about it on your LinkedIn profile, but for the actual joy of learning something new. Third thing, a lot of us depend immensely on our mothers even to cook a basic meal. But at some point you will be moving out of your parents' place and living independently, right? And you will be eating at least 3 times a day. Cooking is a life skill that is essential for survival. Why not use this time to learn this skill? This will do 2 things. 1, it will take off the burden of cooking from your mother's shoulder. And second, you will actually be spending your time learning a life skill that will be useful to you for a lifetime. 4th, having a completely disorganized wardrobe, walls full of spider webs and a chair full of clothes is neither good for your space nor is it good for your mind. The physical act of clearing out things, decluttering and only keeping the things that really matter to you will create a sense of clarity and well-being. Decluttering can be so therapeutic. I'm telling you, you will thank me later. And this also includes digital clutter. Delete all those spam mails, delete that unnecessary WhatsApp forwards that you've received. Delete all those good morning messages on that WhatsApp group. Get rid of the garbage in your phone and in your desktop and free up that space so you can store the things that are actually required. You can also make a bag full of clothes or anything that you don't use. Call a Swiggy Genie guy and have him deliver it to the NGO nearest your house. As promised, I have saved the best for the last. So my 5th point is going to be your favorite. You can catch up on all the amazing movies and shows that you haven't been able to in all these years. Netflix, Hotstar, Prime and all other OTT platforms are your best bets to get good quality entertainment. Do branch out to regional movies and content as well. There are some hidden gems out there in our regional cinemas that will add an extra flavor to your content consumption. If you have any movie or show recommendations, put it down in the comments below. By the way, I've made a separate video on why Netflix is the perfect quarantine partner. I will link it in the I button and in the description box below. Like this video and subscribe to my channel if you like the brand of content that I make. See you in the next video. Bye.